तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सिटिंग पोज से सबसे पहले ट्विस्ट करें बॉडी को। स्टैंड अप ऑन योर नीज। धीरे से घुटने पर खड़े हो जाएं। स्लोली राइट लेग को बाहर की ओर आउट करें। पैर के पंजे को अपनी ओर खींच कर रखें। एक्सेल, बेंड योर राइट लेग नी। इनहेल, कम अप। एक्सेल, बेंड योर राइट लेग नी। इनहेल, कम अप। पुश योर pelvic down while exhaling. Slowly inhale. Both hands up. Stretch your body up. Make a namaste, top of the head. Inhale. Come up. Exhale. Both hands relax. Slowly लेफ्ट लेग को बाहर की ओर निकालें। पैर का पंजा अपनी ओर खींचा हुआ। एक्सेल, बेंड योर लेफ्ट लेग नी। इनहेल, कम अप। Left leg knee, come up. Exhale, bend your knee. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Slowly inhale, both hands up, stretch your body up and exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax your both hands. घुटने पर आ जाए। सिट ऑन योर नीज। मूव योर हिप्स बैक, हेड अप, कम अप एंड हेड अप, हेड डाउन, मूव योर हिप्स बैक ऑन द heels, head up, come up on your palms, move your hips back, head down, come up on your palms and head up. Move your hips back on the heels. Come up on your palm and head up. Slowly interlock your foot and do the push-ups. While exhaling, go down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly come up on your elbows, interlock your fingers. हाथों को आगे की ओर खींचें, फुट्स को इंटरलॉक ही रखें। कोशिश करें चेस्ट को टच करने की ऑन द फ्लोर, हेड ऑन द फ्लोर। Slowly come up on your palms. Slowly sit down. Side bending. Left hand on the floor and stretch your right hand. Come up on your toes and do the knees up down. Open your knees. Exhale, bend. Open. Exhale. Inhale, both hands up. Make a namaste top of the head. Close your knees and open. Close your both knees and open. Slowly hands down and sit up. दंडासन में बैठे, पैरों को अपनी ओर बैंड करें. पवन मुक्तासन, राइट लेग बैंड एंड टूवर्ड्स द चेस्ट प्रेस करें. बैंड करते हुए लेट जाए. लाइन डाउन ऑन योर मेट. बेंड योर लेफ्ट लेग टूवर्ड्स द चेस्ट. स्लोली लाइन डाउन ऑन योर मेट डायरेक्टली. Slowly come up. Bend your both knees towards the chest and slowly lie down directly. Pavan Muktasan. Slowly sit up. Stretch your legs. Lie down on your mat. Stretch your legs towards the sky. Joint your foot together and make a big circle. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, stretch your legs and slowly down. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, stretch your leg towards the sky. Make a big circle with the both legs. दोनों हाथों को दोनों नीज के बीच में से निकालें और बिग टोज को पकड़ लें. इन फुट्स को टूवर्ड्स द स्काई स्ट्रेच करें इन लाइन डाउन. धीरे से ओपन भी करें दोनों पैरों को इन द एयर. Open your legs at your height according in lying down position. Stretch your hands up. Forcefully exhale and sit and open your legs. Lying down and both legs together. Breathe in, lying down. Breathe out, open your legs. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do the butterfly in lying down. Palms on your thighs. Stretch your hands up and sit in the butterfly pose. Inhale, lying down in butterfly. Exhale, quickly sit. Continue. Relax your both hands and legs. Slowly come up on your palm and foot on the floor. Inhale, hips up, head down. Exhale, head down, hips down. Inhale, head up, hips up. Exhale, hips down, head down. Continue. Opposite table pose. Head up, inhale and hold. Take a long deep breath in and out. Slowly exhale, hips down, head down. Join your foot together, make a butterfly. Inhale, both hands up, and while exhaling, both hands down and stretch. Adho Mukha Asana for stretching. Do the butterfly. आज का सेशन यही ख़त्म होता है. बाय बाय. जय गुरुदेव.